Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys where I ship in my office and stuff. So first I have this couch, and then when you walk over here, I have some mailers. So I have some of these paper envelopes for mailers. Then I have over here some paper for my printer and everything. And then I have more of these envelopes and stuff. And then again, here's some of my mailers, and I have more mailers down here. I have some small ones and some big ones for squishies and slime. So then up here is where if I'm drawing or anything, or I ask my staff to make something, a new logo, or tell me their design for a new logo, then they could write it or draw it or whatever. And here I just have some backgrounds that we use in our shop. And yeah, just some new ones, or we may sell some backgrounds, we don't know. So we just have some sheets of stuff, or my staff writes stuff down. And I just have all different types of stuff. And then up here I just have some thank you notes for super big orders. So it's like that, and then it says thank you. And then over here, we just have some stickers, tape, and tapes and stuff. So scotch tape, or glue sticks, just some stuff for the printer and all that stuff. And then we just have some more sticky stuff. And then here's a sheet where my staff would write down some new slimes, or I don't know, just some stuff. And then up here, we just have some of these for anything, I don't know, just some of these batteries. And then we just have some gold leaves for the slime. And this is not where our slime room is. This is just where the shipping and everything, packaging, whatever. So over here we just have some crayons, just for different stuff, for if my staff is trying to make some colors or anything. So then I think these are for the printer, and these are markers. Sorry, I can't see, it's dark. So then over here, or here, I'll just show you. So that's really it. And then when we have our slime stand, when I used to do them with my sister, lemonade stand, I just have this. So when we do it, we have that. And then up here, we just have some tripods. And in here, there's just some decorating for packaging and some orders. So just some different types of stuff. It's not too interesting. Then here we just have some thank you notes and pretty paper, maybe for special occasions, or when we do maybe we're thinking of doing meet and greets when we get more famous and stuff, popular, we have more followers, and we may do a meet and greet. We just have some notebooks here, so my staff can write down who worked and stuff. So then over here, we just have some wrapping paper, and I got the same wrapping paper because we have a background like this in some of our videos, and then I found the exact same wrapping paper, and I was I have to get this. So then we just have more wrapping paper just in case it's sent as a gift or something, if it's sent as a gift. And then we just have some goodie bags and stuff. So then over here is the copy printer and stuff. And then down here I just have these labels, or stickers for orders, and or if this is a present for their girlfriend, boyfriend, or just anything, whoever slime, your friend, could just say they could tell me if they want one, these, but they do cost $5 if you want one. Okay, so then over here is my computer. Hey, what's up? Peace. So then over here near my desk, we just have some paper clips for my work. We just have these for the slime stand, or if we're going to SlimeCon or whatever, slime stand, we just have these for that. My calculator to calculate all the orders, my stapler, just some pens, and just, you know, stuff that you need. And then over here is just some paper for the printer, and just like some other stuff. And then in here, it's just like some slime stuff, but I have a key to it, of course. Yeah, I'm not going to show you the key, but I do have a key. And then here's just some tissues, very interesting tissues. So just some, like, what normal desks would have. So I'll give you a preview of just this, but then I will not show you this part. And yeah, so that's the whole desk thing. And yeah, so that's the whole desk, and I will be doing a some room tour in the next video. So yeah, bye.